This is Charlie Weiner with the Weiner Lucena Group at Remax Advantage Plus, and I'm here at the grand opening of our third Delray Beach office here. We have several offices in Delray Beach. We have offices in Boca Raton, Boynton Beach, Parkland. We cover the Palm Beach County area. We cover the Tri-County area. So let me give you a tour and show you what a beautiful real estate office looks like. I want to recommend when you find a real estate agent, you find an agent with an active, lively office. And this is our Delray Beach office, our newest Delray Beach office. And you're going to find nothing but agents from one end of the room to the other, all of them great. Of course, I'm the one that you want to give your business to.
What office you think will work at?
Let's keep going back, and we'll take a look at the rest of the office. I tell you, this is all happy customers, but mostly it's happy agents. Come on back.
Yeah.
When you call the Weiner Lucena Group and you want to move down to the Palm Beach County area, we're going to give you a concierge level of service. That includes telling you about the communities, going through their financials, going through the amenities, making sure that what you buy or what you sell is what you want to be doing in an informed way.
We're doing a drone picture outside. Just a quick drone picture outside.
By the way, this is Alan Ainella, one of our broker owners of the office, and I'll introduce you to the other broker owners in a few minutes. The Weiner Lucena Group is the perfect group to be working with. Sergio Lucena and Charlie Weiner make up the group for the Weiner Lucena Group. There's always two of us. We're able to be responsive to all of your needs. We're able to answer the phone, respond to buyers, respond to sellers. That's really what it's all about in this business. Plus, we have a wonderful attitude. Come on back this way. So the real estate market in Delray Beach has been on fire, at least in January of 2020 on the filming of this video. It just, the inventory levels are low, the buyers are here, and it's a great time to be selling, it's a great time to be buying. So this is Chad Ingram, our newest broker owner, of the firm, and he's coming on board at a great time. The market has been super hot, our office is growing like gangbusters, and we're excited to have him. Chad, what do you want to say?
Thank you so much. Super honored to be here. Can't believe we got the grand opening of our West Delray office. Looking forward to a lot of huge things happening in 2020. I just wanted to say thanks for having me and being welcomed like you have. It's incredible. Thank you.
So we're excited, and I hope that translates in the video for all of you. It's just a great place to live and a great place to work.
Amen to that, that's for sure.
My most special guest, Sergio Lucena of the Weiner Lucena team. And I couldn't be doing this without Sergio. He's a broker associate here. He's got more experience than I do. He's our negotiator. And he is the chief of the group. And that is the truth.
Thank you, Charles, for all your compliments, but I think you handle that.
As you can tell from Sergio's accent, he's actually Brazilian. He's a U.S. citizen here. He's lived here a long time. But he is Brazilian, and he brings a ton of South American customers up into Delray. So if you're from the South America, if you're from South America, reach out to us. We have somebody that can help you. And if you're thinking about selling in this area, we get a lot of buyers that are coming up north.
Thank you, Charlie. We are here to serve you. Thank you.
I'm sitting here with Jeannie Curtis, one of our highest producing agents. I've known Jeannie since high school, 15 years ago. Jeannie was the first person to make a closing in this office, which was this morning. It's a brand new office. She closed a luxury home, and I couldn't be more proud of her.
Thank you, Charlie. It's been.
It's great.
Now wait a minute, you gotta prep me a little bit. You're taping this?
It's called editing. I said
No,
we were in
please.
high school 15 years ago.
I know, that's my first thing that threw me off, totally. I'm like, it's more like 50 years ago. This is fantastic. I love the energy in this office, and I totally love Charlie and Sergio.
That's a
They
wrap.
are the best Weiner Lucena group you ever saw.
That's a wrap. Thank you. I'm here with Amanda and Tracy, and they're part of the Remax Advantage Plus team here. And the agents could not survive without Amanda and Tracy. They're the best. Okay, talk.
No, we don't talk.
That is true, though.
Well, then just tell them how much you love the Weiner Lucena group.
Okay. I love Charlie and Sergio.
Yeah.
We'll agree with that.
Thank you. This has been fun. I want to thank you all for joining me on the tour of our new Remax Advantage Plus Delray Beach office. And I want to introduce you to Paula, another very valued member of the Remax Advantage Plus team. And I'm back here because Paula absolutely hates when people encroach in her space. Have a good one and have a wonderful time. Give us a call.
Double, please.